So as you can imagine, if the spaceship touches the bee, then obviously the spaceship's going to explode because the bee has exploded it. And even though it's firing along, if they touch each other, the game should stop, and basically you can start the game again. So here what we want to do is go into butterfly, and as always add our handy dandy feature, which is the event section, the green flag, to put the rules in place. We go up to control and we add the if there statements, if and then statements, and then we want to do is add from sensing the touching button. So we're going to bring if touching, we're just going to change this to spaceship. The game basically ends. So what we want to do is go into control and we want to find stop, and we then want to wrap this. So basically when the green flag, I'll add the forever in there. There it is. Put that in there. So now when the green flag, when the game starts, and this is forever, if touching the spaceship, then we stop. So let's try that. Boom, the game just stopped because he moved. Let's try that again. It just stops there. Then you have to restart the game to begin, but the game stopped. So if you can go into butterfly and add the green flag, add in the if and then from the control, then go into sensing to add in the touching feature, and then change it to spaceship, and then into control, the stop all and the forever loop to wrap it all into and connect this Lego together. And once you've done that, I'll see you in the next video.